Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to show summary for a data visualization that we create in a Tableau Public Desktop worksheet. The data set that we will be using today is going to be the complete Pokemon data set. So I'm going to first drag and drop this data set into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the data set has loaded, we can see a summary of how many fields and rows there are in the data set, as well as the data types and a preview of each attribute and the record. Next, we'll go to the worksheet here shown in orange called Sheet 1. And I'm going to drag the attribute in role to rows and state here to columns. So we can now see a visualization which is along the x-axis each state across the US and the total enrollment by state. Now to make this a bit more informative, we can click on sort option to sort it from descending order. Now we can see immediately which state here has the highest enrollment, and which is California. To the right here, which state has the lowest, and that's Colombia. We can then show the summary for this visualization by going to the top panel, click on the drop down here, and there's an option here called summary, which is the fourth option from the top down that is unchecked. We can check this, and this will then show us a summary of this visualization, which is a count, the average, and other statistical metrics like the minimum, maximum, and the median. And so there you have it. This is how you can show the summary for a data visualization that you create in a Tableau Public Desktop Edition worksheet.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.